Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another Blast from the Past video. I did this one last year and I have so many new subscribers that I really wanted to share this one with you again. This is such a cute little project, especially if you have children. So let's get crafting, guys.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, your pack, you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good times.
These are so much fun, and you can have your kids put a bell in the naughty or nice cup. It kind of keeps them in check of being good till Christmas. But I hope you enjoyed this little blast in the past video. I hope you all are having a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.